Now, wait. I posted a video, right? Where I'm describing the life Jpac and the Ebonyi son is living. Also, they could not get out comment rubbish. Eh? I posted a video. Jpac and Ebonyi son lost son. Jina wrong ha. This is not Jpac. Yeah, listen. Una never see anything. Una never see anything. Eh? You guys, years ago, because of my engagement work, Una never see anything. Next time, you see how Jpac is bringing false rumors to close just a simple exam. That is where I will be tormenting Unaya. As soon as he's going on the ground, paying no more shit bloggers, not to ash. Jpac I get one piece. Now, I go searching the Gabriel. Come and see Gabriel members under my comment section. When I go to their pictures, I see them. I say, look at them. Look at them. Gabrielas. Haben a Jpac. Now I comment. See, I reply when I want to. Or less when I want to ignore. You feel them? Jpac and the Ebonyi son. For them to look at what they are doing. An example of who they are. Oh, each and a saga with different ball game. Oh, you don't understand the terms when it comes to Anapoy saga. Oh, okay. Okay, all these Gabrielas, Egoji London Nufro. You Gucci. Some people, it's not Jpac. They say, I want to Neki. It's your mama Toto. Chineke Bruno. Oh, in my house saga. You don't understand the language of saga. Imalo. Okay, I got my kushirigia. She bow and a picture Jpac, my putea. But then, how many of them are going to feed? Let me go and Ebonyi lost son posturia. I want to pay Jakanji with there. Ebonyi lost son can wake up and make up story against people. You guys not go there, right? I'll go get you Abuna or I never see war. War I will give to all of you. Jereko Okongbu Tibianama Berage. I dey come for you. Anybody say Shima warrior face who Jpac. Because you guys were not there when the whole thing happened. The content. So it's such a ego. Memorize. You follow, contributed money because of me. Okay, I don't suffer. Please, can you buy gas na motom because gas motom na ego. It's not thinkable. Kana buy. No, mom, the more because some after na motom. I'm the wrong phone. No, I'm not the wrong phone. Please don't call me on this phone. What phone? Not nearly go because Makanda Gary here. Don't trust them. Makande, Bichebe. Maka game with him. It's been my pachebe. Do you know much? Who gave a good car? Number 8, right? Who gave you a pay she back? But it's like on the car they own. Hello, I need a gas. Number 8. $80. Yes. Oh, here is smelling weed. Somebody smoking weed here.
One person he came and I think so.
Oh my goodness.
He just left like 1 minute ago.
Ooh.
So $80 on number 8.
Yeah, number 8. $80 for number 8.
Yeah.
Thank you. How you doing? Alright. Good night. Thank you. But I'm gas, I got half for you. Mama, you watch it, I'm coming watch it. I can't walk on walk on your son. Marco Shinama. Mark and do to Ebonyi lost songs. Those shit, the basic ways. Mark, they're paragana, and the hell in a motor be expensive. The Gemma lock will require back. Lock will have your back. My gas don't start. See, it's reading already. Don't start. GLE baby, GLE baby, it's GLE baby. 2024 GLE baby, GLE baby. 350 GLE baby. It's 2024 baby. GLE baby. It's GLE baby. It's G. I don't know how motor dash like Jpac. 1 year show Odogu. 1 year show Odogu. Odogu akota shiri. Mama mo motor akwa chana no chaya hono no chaya manyere. No chaya manyere. That day Jpac called me. Okay, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to collect the car? Sure, why would you collect it? I'm she idiot to collect tire. Very cheap idiot. Low one a shower when don't get money. It's GLE baby. It's 2024 baby. GLE baby. Idiot. I know her. It's where marry it. It's where marry it. It's 2024 brand new baby. That's how we roll baby. Odogwa dash remoto. Odogwana abala 100,000. Abala 1 million. Now make I never be a beggar. Make I never be to sustain. So make person they give me. God forbid that I will be in a position where person gonna give me. God in heaven, I rebuke it. Can't call on your team. Can't on your team. That's my bachago. Naga me see. Yeah, who not pushing na 76. So but I'm a force. Yeah, I'm a reserve. I'm a force. I reach other $80. My motor not like him buy is about order of my car. Order of my car and my reserve. I don't know. Anytime I want to fill in reserve, for some reason I like it. I'm fill here reserve. I don't know. We're not pushing now. But I'm pushing you $80 now. $77.76. I'm going to push it. But come hang behind this thing now. But I go July. See, gas my woman now. She may go gauge. Make a motor gauge. Gas attack. Make a show now. Lepa gas my woman now. She make. But you take a lot of reserve. I don't understand. Kaka motor gauge. She gas. I'm going to align here. Gas my woofola. Oh, gas my wool. Come gas you one ala. EGLE baby, EGLE baby. EGLE baby. Come on, get out of here. Come on, get out of here. Who born your mama? Who born your mama? Come on. Me and you they play. Me and you be mates. Me and you they play. It's GLE baby. They go wonyara. It's brand new baby. 2024. Look at the rigs. Oh my God. Look at the exhaust pipe. Look at the. Dan engine also. Oh we got dash. Oh who charm 200,000. Odogu, I shower where they call, but I don't blame you. Then I got 1 hour. They don't dash you anything. You can use your rubber account to put the reason. No, which rubber? You don't hear me like that here. They do like that. Almost everywhere gas station. Oh, just I don't know. This my GLE does not. But I would rather me say this. They do take reserve. And my Highlander platinum, they take reserve. What I go? All our I don't know. This one, I'm a Ojula. You see what I'm saying? But I normally do reserve in each of my in case. But if you know all food, or go food, there's nothing you can do. Lie. There's nothing you can. Let's get my seatbelts. All this afternoon. Nah, but you gonna do this. I never start with Jpac. Una they scream. You guys are useless, oh. But I'm gonna this blue apple. And what more also than saga? You don't understand. And what more also than saga? And I come out there, I want to help you in my bed, you. I Jpac na nando soon and damn undo shina blia and about content people. Now then go lose because you go get tired of my matter. You will be exhausted about my matter. You don't understand? You want to go? You know, there is no any other thing than trouble. When you look for my trouble, you know, go get peace. And I get chicken. He put another person. Now he's beginning to tell us. Make it Jpac be a meta is awkward and you know. Make another use rubbish, they cover them. Make Jpac come and do tests. Simple. Come run the fucking test. Ndala. I got my torment to get to this app, eh? Next time, if you see trouble, you go the wrong. Next time, you will leave a denomination, you will leave a group, and mind your business not to come and dent that group. If Paula anyway join, no, just come to destroy them or to come and lie against them. In fact, I can in the morning because thank God I'm off tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. I can run program all fucking day, man. I'm fucking off tomorrow, man. I'm fucking off tomorrow and I'm fucking off Thursday. What to go? Ndala. Bunch of idiots who can look at them jumping like squirrels on under my comment section. Ndala. Come on, fuck the fuck off, bitch. Bitches, my fellow women in Minina Gonike. I get to come back to Nigeria. If you get to come back to Nigeria, I get to come back to Nigeria. I say who you be. I say Maggie on Baggy, I say who the fuck you are. Abula Munu, December 30th, Malitala Mohammed, Grand Style with the designers, I get a hop and down. Grand Style, I can't get no queen and apata, no pitoko. You won't yara. Bam, Sean, the girl says something. I got my good no way go no Shimunaho. No way go no. I got my good no Grand Style, you the mad. Come on, shut your fucking trash up, you dirty smelling Otula Shina 1 million everywhere. Ndala, bunch of idiots. When Jpac was busy accusing an innocent man, and went home saying that we plan to give Obodoless man a poison, Ebonyi son poison. All of them trying to cook up stories with all manner of stories, lies, and you want me to spell Jpac? I will just a bit of him. I will fucking destroy Jpac. Oh my God, some information in the jail Chabemunaka, and I should go down. Jinaka Obunu no, Jinaka Opa Shawani Kahu, really we are Ekega 1 naira na Puja. Ndala. Come on, fucking join in the comment section. Genuine peaceless mind. Ndala. What you will get, Jpac? What you will get? I don't mention in atom na roshi or should I want you? Then atom na roshi on you reality. On you reality. Biama kujaya can make a maroshin do what called that thing to do. Iman Arusha Subeni with the leader of Umbane Senine. Oh, Iman Arusha so with the leader. Oh, Iman Arusu get back on Gabuzo, Yapora Shani Shinala. Ah, I shall want you. Baby, men Quenga, we all one yenta by force. Did I hear in Abaramana? No new no. Did I hear? Oh, come to make a live video yesterday. Don't report to them. I don't know why you guys are having people. You guys are many. I'm the only one standing among all the I'm the only one standing. You see, I'm coming back from work. I just got off from work. I got something I'm doing. I'm not useless like your wife. That you saw yeah. I don't got time for bullshit. I swim money, I speak money, I work for money. That's what I do, bitch. Do I look like I'm a team? God in heaven bear me witness that I don't get paid from Zion. I don't receive funding, nothing. All I do is support what is genuine, something that is pure. Let all that for Tabia swear, if daddy ever pay me any money to support him. Never. I do it because I know that you guys are demons. We take the receipt. I cannot defend. See, anything I'm defending cause of money, I will quit when the money is no longer coming. Anything, that is why Jpac were able to quit. Because I could start giving idiot money, thinking that now I help a poor man. You know, that is one thing about money. Anything you start with money, if you don't continue, the idiot to think like it's a entitlement. I believe for the total entitlement. What I go? I'm not defending. I'm defending because I'm not the real. I'm not Chineke Boroyoko. I make my see. I don't give a fuck. I have a lot of people who don't like me for that Zion where they on social media, but I don't give a fuck about them because they are not the owner. They are not the owner of Zion. So do I fucking see them? I don't see them. They don't fucking exist. Okay? Simple, case closed. So your contribution online means shit to me. Ndala na koeri. I got you. Not stop. Make I start Zion and give me I got home na Zion very soon. Very soon, I got home name Zion. Can see me get one shimo get If I know we all I go on to say if you go understand. I got home na Zion ground. And I say you go recognize me because they went me mala. Ndala. Not my jogging or one nagging with Zion. More one nagging and nagging with that place. Ija be on rubbish. Tunda babu chekunu. Keyboard warriors that cannot open a page and defend daddy. Keyboard warriors cannot open a page. But you're under comment section now hide there. Big work hate you what to say and not what to say. May thunder scatter all of you now. Useless idiots that you cannot do. Oh Peter in the Bible will sapo somebody into not about Jesus. But you be on the comment trying to tell me what to mention and what not to mention. Are you fucking mad? You won't yara. Dala fucked up bitches. I got my good comments now because I'm driving. I don't want anything to distract me. And they have some of the comments that they carry blurry. You want to go? Ndala in on the comment section. Now about it. We are the original. What makes you original Zion? If I may ask you, you cannot stand to defend your master. You cannot stand to debunk all these lies. Okay, you will put here, who to mention and who not to mention. Tonda babu kweki. Where were you? 24/7 Where were you? Where were you? when Purula 24/7, all will everywhere the quiet. Gabe so puta from one corner. Want to come and run to me thunder babu get there. Oh, was everywhere they come. When all get you much everything they make you, Gabe puta. That all get it. Thunder babu Dala bunch of idiots that think Ibra in the morning. Cheron when puta do here run no program. Because right now, change go down my lagodala, Kangara who go down, Zugodi Kana, Nanagodo, Luga, Game man, a giant in the morning. The boots of Pagode, Game a Tomakana in the morning. Come defortified, come defused, come and destroy all of you. Darling, on the comment section, telling me remove this person from. When I was there carrying it for my head, where were you? Where were you? You know that some of my pages went down when striking. This page is now no strike. This page is not watching. No fucking strike. Did I complain? Did I come out and say, oh, because of not defending Zion? Did you hear me say that? Working a piece to put out one corner now. I should remove Zion from my mouth. Thunder babu pegi. Thunder babu pegi. May you sleep, never wake up. Chinekamu dokun. Idiot. Shower. Get back to now. Puna babu they are joining Zion. Idiot, foolish. Upon everywhere. They are joining Zion. And just for history, a thunder babu pegi with the Gramon. Ibe shamo. I got it. Remove. Not gonna respect myself, so. Not gonna and what Bembo should be a man know how to defend myself. No point them sleep here. On your lot of problem, Jpac, ya say, ya puta. Okay? It's your ndala bunch of lunatics. In a entitlement, Zion all grand land and much. Where were you? Can't you open a page? Can't you open a page and come and defend him? Him I will put to a video and be but now what view you. Idiots, ndala, bunch of amusus. Want to come and correct you, Unegi? Come and correct me now. Come and tell me how to fight my own fight. There were 7 disciples in the Bible. Everybody fought their fights on their own. The way they understood it and the way they please. How to fight my own. Are you mad? I could prognose to me. Tondo babu babu hemrugene. Ndala, bunch of idiots. The threats and the insult I've been getting, are you the one getting it? They sent. Don't worry. All they do nuga chamo, mama in their business, naming my matchmaking, naming henry pota. Maukunuga mama important. Maukunuga mama important. Don't worry, no. Don't worry. Maukunuga ma the importance of Ogechi. I hate Ogechi. Hell fucking no, they don't hate me. They hate that I am their obstacle. They don't fucking any day. Made a mistake now. Support the money how like it. Come and see. Now okay, now I know I love you. You know I love you. I wanted you to realize it. Now you have realized it. You know, Chadunu the many. You guys are few. If you guys don't guide the little ones who know if you guys don't guide the little ones who know Unaga go open this social media. Ne susunu. Nagimwe Zion or Negimwe. Ne susunu. Ndala. Dala. It's an awum with the brain behind it, the end of Udela. Do you think I'm not the brain behind it? I am the brain. I brought it. I executed it. Oh, more idiots. Dala. Well, you don't know how everything started. How we fought so hard. All of you put together and let's go get you. And when anybody could have ever stand and fight that Udela was a bomb. Udela was a bomb. But none of you were able to stand and defend yourselves, Ebu Delano. Dala. In a big one, not don't mention. Who the fuck are you? Gabo. down each and with a time. All the insult, all the cursing, all the threatening, come back, make all the care threatening guy. All the care threatening guy. You cowards that cannot even open mouth to talk. Those that don't even have the courage to talk. Those are get what? Can't you see my faces everywhere? Can't you? I don't know. Back with this little showdown. Jesus say, Jesus, I want to go. Bunch of the mouth to come and tell me who to mention. Remove this, remove that. I want to change Jpac. I can make a sound to me in a Mercedes. I'm not 24 hours. Now this guy's a nation to me. Hey, I want to, Mom, she get mission by now. Mercedes on 24 hours. I get mission. Oh, mother, I think in the morning. Oh my God. Mommy, I'm going to take reserve. But nevertheless, I must go tomorrow, then I'll offer tomorrow. And then I like it not off, and then I like it outside. I'm not an outside much person. Remember outside when I was in teenage life. That time, you know, that teenage life, my club, my bata, you know, I know they just do dance because I'm good in dancing. Dance, yeah, I'm a bata. You want to go? Not query. Man, I got home comments for now. No, the show mad woman. He wouldn't neg on. Oh, when you're a monoge. Is it not a mad woman that gave back to you? Oh, when you're a monoge now. You will always see everybody as Onyara because Onyara Moroge. A mad woman get back to you. I just repeat here, where you one borderless babies. Somebody share a mega adopt a match about banana chicken. Oh, nigga, Onyara. Can you identify on your nigga? A mad woman get back to you. Oh, DNA on it, deny. Ndala. Onye men adopt to where a Jisa. Dala. Oh, one day make a woman adopt a woman. But then we're doing a man should follow Dala and Dala epic on the streets. Dala. Come on. That's in the game Moroge. That's in the Moroge. Arachagi. Or one all who shingagara. Nege Murugara Chaga, that everybody smell Arara. Chamaque Baho, Chamaquandari Beggy. This gonna when Dara my lineage. Dara, mad man everywhere, mad people everywhere. Nega, Mamma, and then Dara and Dam, Brara. Brare, Mamma, Wonyare, Mamma, Wonyam Pibara, Mamma, Wonyam, Amusupananya, Sona. Idiots. Not coily. Do you think everybody smell Arara to you? Mad people. Come on, Shingarara guy negije Zurike. That's what I'm nego. Or what number Nagamana Jeluronyari Begi, Chomakande, and adopt Ibeki. Jejilino. Let's set off idiots. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Inside this season, I got to come back to Nigeria. I got to come back to Nigeria. I got to come back to Nigeria. We have written petition. We have written petition. Mbalagan. So you did petition Makaboni ticket. I know what Kabola yo. Now this time I got grown wine. 38. The only Indiana, no Chicago, move. Not clearly. Bunch of idiots. Only neko get you and put that on the comment section. Come and stand it. Come how long it will last. Come how long could these people and when a beach and I get you this. She's this. She's a bad person. She's this. And when I be not and when I be not bomb. Let me even see without Jpac. Okay, let me park here in the morning. You move this car. You what I go? na koeli. Puta, come and collect it. I mean, I'm sure more people they pretend I'm following Zion, I'm Zion. They cannot even come out and do war. Lie. Ooh, and when you pass, okay, come down make up story. There is nothing to talk. I'm too clean for anything to dent me. I'm too clean for fake information to dent me. I'm too clean. I want you pay hoja kwa wonye gana abo so go. And when him pay, when him dominant, when him kwaga. I'm too sam for any bagger to dent me. What I go? So when anything he got she okay to dominant that closer to. He got go make up story you making on social media. But which is all go? I am not mad though. Because when I will come for you, me too. I will prepare my water. Okay, that's a mission wegi. Anapa chogumma. What I go? Anapa chogumma. Naba moje boga. Abe boya daddy. Abe boya onye. Na so ide. So we believe what I say. Your life is more brighter than the whole world. Now yo, we go dentam. We go dentam. We go find a way and fucking dent it. You don't give a fuck. I will go. When you dab into fights, anything comes with it. Any fucking thing comes with it. So okay, dear way. War is not meant to be smooth. It's meant to be destructive. Anything will work. So number one is going to explain. Could a man put a explaining him? Habia kutebe pambre purum. Habia kutebe mnokuya. Habia utebe. Habia. That is how it is. You keep on explaining. Ikabula gigala. We have to pardon the gamma lebem no. Yagupe giga sit the wrong gamma. No face you off. No face your enemies. Dala. Look at him. I'm working a petition. Where Jpac, I'm shego. You got to again a wedding. I may make a short bravo. Because if you ever, this is true. I go make sure. So this your money go finish. Kaki kid in a room. Don't play with me. Don't fucking play with me. Don't get a test. If I go Nigeria, I go to ask you for that test. Anywhere I go my joke test. He get the line. Dia, he get me quite test. He get me na. I'm a joke game kana joke ya. So ya unu na ekwete. E post video na. Say bikono. Just search channel me boom okay na kiss cho onwe ha. Abi attaching it with Jpac picture with your Ebonyi son. Ndenine. Shina how ya. Because the channel no mo all those videos na sedrem ya na WhatsApp. Eba ha na egbu na romance onwe ha. I go touch Ebonyi lost son. I go touch Keza Okongutibia. I go touch Wagra. I go touch Papa Ogene. All of them na 10 day here. I call it Chariba destroy Aham to Chile no kon. I get here. And war! We shall war it to the end of this segment. No, I need some water. I need some. I don't my family. My mom's talk with another time on my pay. I have my I don't leave my main property here now. Ndala. Ebonyi son be eje with the 110 and 4G. I 4G here you shoe no ebewe. What they say what call Sunday I go no ebewe say. Chile take up no okun na this. Akwa Facebook. You know be Facebook. Now. I got who share. Chama no more. Make it a bansobu fine. Hey, make it a bansobu fine. And one of us, I got barely lansobu. Ebonyi son, Ebonyi lost son, Ebonyi criminal lost son. Gebu put a false information. Neti, una no get say anything. Get bu putere. Nde udi lifestyle Jpac pu nebi mata cha una be na ba pa. Chineke kpo okwu na okun. Ashuma mado ha magbu okwu na ashuma odamiri na ala egbu chekwara nne. Kubuo kwano ashimi mmiri nwa ọta osumenye piabuo kwano piabuo hen ihe kere nno ne eni ngwara gi Ebonyi Law's son went and dig out old video. This idiot where he was accusing daddy wrongly. Now, every day, none of you were able to condemn it. Ebonyi son, Ebonyi Law's criminal idiot to the Swoshi. So putagabu pute me this thing me edit post na kusa njukwa report up here anya puta chigo kwa shio yeah because when voice note I could send on behalf of Ken. None of you are saying anything. None of you are saying anything. Else mbenge woro oku ba na ere ya na aho agwara me Ebonyi Law son sho ga emecha umu ya puta one of this saga uche na ebu oge emecha umu ya ndo omu de kakara dika manu akara ga emecha puta one of this blue app akwachogi engagement akwachogi grow his second page. Is it know what he want to do? Now ndamusu aka hunu ji somado ka ga je sunu una achokwa ebere o aka hunu ji everybody when na so I dey measure with una now so I dey measure with una. That hand will not take this shake me. Now so the hand that go take shake on her. Because who know who conscience. You guys say who no fucking conscience. Conscience who no relate in a pit of hell. So the way actually before a child will understand the language you speak, you have to start speaking yeah. Mama. Because before an infant, a toddler we understand you have to roll on the floor. Yeah. With the same. So every hand we wanna get, all the lies we wanna bring. Now so we could use some rocket ourselves on this blue app. Una behead kamo. In your entire life. Una behead kamo. I saw which kind of a woman is this? Can this woman respect it here? Can this woman have my husband ever come out and complain? My husband is making more money than me. My husband is highly more times 7 educated than me. My husband is in a level in this country that and what the one he gave me a kind. He can send me out. He has whatever it takes. Move nowhere. And what the reason why, if I'm a bad woman, why is he stay with me? I don't know many answer. Mbrala wa muda end seats. I know many answer. I do my thing. I prepare hoshim prepare. I make hoshim. Ya di moji. Ya ruma kenge me fushi abe agame me fuya. Ya runa kama agame me fumashi ame agame. Ya runa kenge me mashi okay. I will do it. So what the fuck? Ya ruma otno. I'm an ambeja no otno. Ejimana short one man. A what no? Ejimana, Auruma Kerry, Ejimeshi, Yama respect. Hey, Empumiani, she top notch. So, Banumi Hedim Gejisho Gechachokamuge. The person I'm supporting, my husband loved that D to death. He went to Nigeria, he met that D. So, what is now? Casey here with the problem now. So can you hear them get you complain about me now? And I'm joking. Can you get you or get you many? And I made disrespect here. Have you ever seen me, Mapata? Ugochuku, Ken Moshi Bianoboda, Omeneminka. How many women can I name and social media? Have you ever seen me done it? Have you ever seen me done it? On social media he provides for the family. If you don't follow, they do. So, Banumi, or just package in Jeshiela, Mashagameshi, Ajeshiri. Yesterday, now, before you have a break, Oshbe, Mena Muri, Mashelube, before Major Sama, who may mean better Yaba, I may waste time when I have put you a map, okay. So, Banumi, he get dig the onion go and take your family problem, deal with it. You are the one that will really pose in your households. And when problem okay? And when problem I don't have it. Deal with your own family issue and live forget out of your misery life. And when problem I don't have no sing. Oh, I am meeting this man. I am eager to meet him any day, any minute. My husband, the guy, military regime. Muna no God, only keep 1 hour. And when Nigeria, or you know they take me rest. You know the cream make a rest. 24/7 on that bomb. 24/7 on that bomb. 24/7 no bogamo. Did you feel it on Mahagram? It should be put regulator. Mbajire 1 year training. Ukochuku degidem later. Ya mecha damage because some damage abia pick here. And they will give it to Onegine. Okay, Bamu, what you will tell me now that I know him. Any day my husband step out of here, day, ya home, ya bit of me, simam. Oga. Sometimes monetary discharge you where. Ya won't know one your jaw every morning. Evening when I go to work, we go up some 3 times. Bayola, how are you doing? When are you coming? Hey, Giru no got warm. So what I ya won't one so boo or gay mayor. Family new. Find the pattern that work for your matrimonial home. Leave my own. My own is good. Who is this? Come and get out, small boy. I'm calling daddy. Come on, she's looking for. Yes, I'm aware, daddy. You know why? Ndi boshi. Nwoke ishi ejila bola. I'm shema here, but I'm a use brain as I go. I will not block you. He should look at nwoke mboga daddy. Yes, so much you nwoke. Bala ola nwoka hana. Oka 50 years. Move. Na Igbo, the respected one so. Come sage imani ishi. You know get brain. Igbo the tradition where you say una they worship. Where we came from, Ashio. Not even to compare you know. What I go? Emma, yapama wisdom, Jimmy. Or him finish you, una me put to get bit. Even no kamu in that nominal Igbo. You know why you rules you marry him? Gele daddy. Age otoromo. Spiritual or highly inclined than me. Everything respected man in the society. He is the father of all fathers. Now what? A woman who happy with daddy. A woman I don't call you that daddy. Ndala. Ane susuare. Na dem I won't menala. Na dem I won't do sunandama. Na phone mo no kwala nga ma piande henga piana balia. On domenala. Nde na dem nde choga ka Zion lost son. Bia ndano my comment section Zion lost son tomorrow I go like I have already made a video and warn you. If you want me to leave Jpac and face you, I will face you. I mean, you a deportee that they deported from here to Nigeria. I know it's hard that they are feeding you. That I know everything on. I work so hard for it. Okay, don't you? I've told you, and then I give you the go and read it. Don't try me. You will not like me. Face your front. They do your thing. Make they do my own. Simple. I don't even know fucking you who you are. I never search you to watch you or whatever. But I know you know me. Because I've been in this app before you. What I go? So, all these people that are saying, oh, this man, imagine if I'm not married. The kind of humiliation on that this blew up. Imagine if I'm not married, I'm not under a man. Imagine. Or I mistakenly married on your child. Or I mistakenly married on your lawu in Nigeria. Hey! Or what call lawu Igbo? Imagine. Ono kariji mgo Japan. Karami ngwe on this app at all. But it's quite unfortunate that you all Chineke ja gozi one. You all amere one. You all today. Ogechi. I qualified over qualified. And then susuare. Come on, make una go and rest. Go and deal with your matrimonial problems. Or a boko. That is why you guys wonder. My husband is highly informed, highly educated. Okay? He's not daft like all of you. But as a piece of shit. No. Friend, like one best friend. Okay? I cannot touch and we can move mountain, just two of us. And I come on, fuck, go, JT, no problem. And a majority of you guys that always comment under my comment section, you can't even live with a woman. You can't even live with a woman. Even when you couldn't have baby na, boy squatter. Hopeless, useless, hopeless, some of the Igbo men. How baggy if these people that are talking against this, if their wives or any woman in their life tell you what they are going through, some of them are abusers, some of them are monsters, some of them are rapists, some of them are convicts, some of them are useless men in the whole Igbo land. I'll show you all the things. Who is this one? I'll show you all the things you are saying about Jpac shows proof. Come on, get the fuck out. The only proof with the day the only proof today the day Jpac Ochula Jpac my proof. Now what? My proof is inside Jpac. That is the proof. My proof that I get latest inside the Jpac. Because your power we want more power. That is my proof. So I want all of you to stand out. I made that test. That is my proof today. Ndala. Everything Ebonyi lost sons and the Jpac are saying Basara Ebuka plan ginye ndesa plan ginye nye Ebonyi lost son poison. On a proof. On a proof. You put proof. Let him bring out proof. Proof what one naked and on there. Proof wo a shalunu borolamo kota naga by then may put proof. And we can witnesses, yes. And we can prove, yes. Yes. And another sufficient proof with Jpac legally care. Yes. Chinek amadu amabu chakwano. Jpac paf aranamo. You guys are not saying about that. Ndalo. When he brought that to my father, you guys did not see it. And I be a chop proof. Jpac gave with the proof even namuno rape woman. Or gave with the proof on my father's picture. Now be a chop proof and the chokora proof one book kubu useless Igbo useless some of useless fools. Oruna kemona chowa. Unu gaga test unu gaga another test. When eben bisi where they live. You see the GRA weapon they live. If for where penny they live, in the GRA weapon they live. Eh on a meginanya. On a meginanya. Where rent is $4,000 to $5,000. On a meginanya. Dala. Come on, fuck all of you idiots. On Abia Sana, one idiot Omga Paralari. I know what I'm Paralari. Gabana Param. You won't. Look at the motor parked on the street and when the chip came on here. Bastards. She need to walk on. Una who pay ho. Una who pay by ho. Oh. Jpac never see anything. We don't get the dog that boon when you're in a picture. She need to watch up. Dala. Oh. Una never see anything. Gonna matcha. Gonna matcha. Okana malielu. They can release it. They can release it. A bass song. Egwe na malielu they can release it. Egwe jangumme ohun. Mado ha mabuchi apun. Ena you prove. You prove. drinks everywhere. On any proof. I can make you nigga. Next time, trouble be alone about trouble also. I'm sure I'm not what I should get you. I get you put up what I put up sing them up that song by how you help you promote. That I'm gonna be in the cover. I never see. You see? You see where I live, honey? You see? You see, I am not a poor honey. You see? You see? And I think we'll be here. And I think we'll be this place. You won't you won't be your mama. She make a pop no come. No chama when you know I talk to you anyhow. I'm a donor bush chap moon. See him? They feel him. In one apartment a big they put an neighbor in America, they push an all expensive. They put a shock and oko yazo azuma. Dala. Na koyeri. I get you. Diggy. It would do for them low. Look for them low. He look for them low. One. Go and keep one for house. Upon get what you get domadi. Womb bugila you get what you get domadi. Dala. Until you guys start discussing the real thing that started the problem. Until you guys start discussing it, then we know how to settle the matter. Until you guys start discussing it, you guys have to start discussing the real deal that started the problem. When you guys remove blame and start ironing the main issue, but then we know how to consider this bullshit. So you guys keep calling, looking for who to blame. A child will not stop crying. No. A child will never stop crying. This is a family. So my family never see me since how many years on Blue App. So my family never see me. Just take a look at the view. If you go back, are you seeing the view? Are you seeing the view in Africa? Oh, but the other guy, look at the view. Tom da babushi champa again. Idare go me. No, mana go in. That my car, gotcha. What happened? Why are you looking for their trouble? Stay away from it. Mind your business again. But every day, ministry like they don't know how the whole issue started. Because they want to come and chip in Ogechi's name. The problem of Zion. Stay on your freaking line. But then you give everybody a go. Idiot. Actually, get there hunger will kill you. It's okay. It smells good in here anyway. It looks like you're cooking anyway because Tilam rice made here. Tilam rice made here. Share this. Put rice for me. Or easy one man is she. Get back get she like you. There. Daddy go yela. But me happen a fridge, you can put fridge.
We won 2 championships going back to back. I don't think nobody's worried about that. So I'm glad we came out and played a great game tonight. Was able to finish the series off. That's the only thing that matters to us.
You think through the final possession where it was about 5 seconds left on the clock.
Let me wash my hands.
Found him and he knocked down a shot.
Did you want to see the ball in his hands in that situation compared to anybody else on the floor?
No, we wanted to see it in our end. I wanted to see it.
ESPN. For both of you guys, I'm curious, you guys have talked a lot about how at this point, you know, sometimes it takes experience. I'm wondering if now you have experience, you see more validity to that point, or what do you think about that?
Why is it that color?
What color?
It's kind of brown.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Your shoe like
This series got just a little bit.
Oh. You got to me me tell you can't sleep, Bobby, baby, sleep. Shit, I don't want to wake him up before. Discussion continue. Now video giving Macau. You're a very fine girl. Marama, you fine. Oh, I'm down at Chawani. I need a notch. I should not touch and then nobody. Okay, bro. Yeah, and then nobody. Is enough. Kill them two separate. Each one no share. Okay. Keep him rice. They keep stew in a separate. I keep lamb stew and rice. Keep stew in a separate way. Nishara. But of what did I say then? Let me lie there.
Great job, bro. It's just basketball, you know. You push me out.
Alright, my dress is good.
You move on, but, you know. That's why they call our league soft. It's going to be called flagrant and stuff like that.
Wait, you said he is made for this, born for this. That you do this in big games.
My phone, man, music and the mother amount of time, man, I'm look at just the name.
What do you both remember from the 2016 game?
The Nigerian no come on, I wrote this time. Now what phone now?
Next question. I think we
Hello? Udoka usoro akpọkpụ nne gị. Udoka usoro akpọkpụ nne gị. Amado ha ga-amagbu gị na this platform eno. Udoka usoro akpọkpụ nne gị. Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ na this blue app. Usoro akpọkpụ nne gị. Angelele, akụrụ anụ ahụ m shiri ndela nga ahụ. Pafu aya, gbụọ mmụọ ya. Ka ahụ dọrọ nga ahụ. In the pot, pafu aya shima ya ọkụ, gbụọ mmụọ ya. Gaa gofu anụ n'ime ya, ga-ekwa ya ime stew ahụ, gbụọ mmụọ ya. Ị chọrọ clean the stove. But one more time before I get clean him, or bang will give me a get the issue. This stew is okay. What are you saying that is what happened to it? It tastes good. You did well. This two don't know. Anything I show me again. This two don't know. This two man. Is she great? Cause I've got it. Huh? I'm not gonna go. It's already a key. You wanna eat it? No. Allow the thing. Ige. Ibela yako. Diano ke ga agoro. Ma ya gbaze. Allow it to melt first now. Chere melt onu. Gbe ya. few minutes here melt to ga gura no nde no nga ho kubu ime stew ah you don't run your shares to no. I didn't pugala. She got the himself. Ralanya shika. Hehe. Ah go. Because let me make freezer. Okay. Because I got you your sister may now when they cause it in my fridge. What? So you get do. Why do you want to catch her? Yeah, why is you catching over? I know, get to any ano. I will put to my fridge, you get put to the 10 at the same time. You just gained yourself a follower. Thank you. Thank you. Prince Lee Ogo. Thank you. Why? Well, great indeed. You speak Igbo for your lovely kid. Yes, of course now. Especially now. Especially how to do everything though. My page is shitty, my page is mental, my page is clean, my page is mental. Yeah. Yes, so.
Don't make much sense to me.
I wish I could not make a shitty now. Mbana Pago Agumam.
You got to see you. You got to see us. That ain't the way.
The Bawan Jihajelam good. Let us do a shit. Very nice. Very good too. They might be go. Oh, this boy a chum share ten. A chum share ten a big happen. Big up on early. But trust me, this still makes sense.
The best defender of all time.
Come joke on
You're right there with him, and you have as many all defensive appearances in first team as he does. I'm wondering if you could compare yourself on defense to him and talk about what it is that gives you so much ability on that side of the ball.
Second row on the right to Mark.
Very nice.
First of all, Draymond called himself the best defender ever recently, and you might have to go up against Draymond quite a bit in the series. I'm wondering what your thoughts are on his defense. And secondly, your teammate Kawhi.
Jack, thank you, my dear.
What makes Kawhi an elite world-class defender?
Second row on the right to Greg.
Mark Schwartz, ESPN. Draymond recently called himself the best defender of all time. Wondering what you think of that, and where Kawhi ranks on that list, and why. Mark Schwartz, ESPN. Draymond said a few days ago that he is the best defender ever. Wondering if you could react to that kind of claim and talk about another defender and his abilities, Kawhi Leonard, in this series. Can you talk about why you have that kind of conviction about his place on the all-time list and where Kawhi Leonard is? Yeah, Kawhi has a great nickname based on his defense, Claw.
Angel, let me hit la freezer. Think all the looking.
If he's Claw, what are you?
Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. It's very nice. I like it in la freezer. Okay. About that. Be up to the highest. Nanjalo ekalamri show le baba di vija doga. Wa chim e hopa. Remember na Mary Faf. Cool.
In simplest terms. I know you can. The question is, will you? And they pay you, don't they? They pay very little. That's the question. That's why it's not up there. Anybody else got a question? They can start. Anybody? I'm not aware.
Omet. April. Joe, this early morning. Time I'm gonna go vote. Do I live in the same Nigeria with you? Who be this one? You get mosquito politaro. A man had a mosquito politaro. She see whose life now. You get mosquito wake you up now. See which life. Mosquito me to go.
Is this going to be a long question? I think it already 12-0 in the playoffs. How impressive is that to you? Really impressive. Not really. Anybody else have a question that makes sense? I'm happy to answer it.
My bad, you're lab now. Tuesday tomorrow. Hey, where did you Lambo? Thank you. Oh, Bazella. Okay, na pari where I'm down get Chinese too. Ngba be para me China. Iriela. Maybe you get the cocoa bouquet. Thank you.
Yeah, you had.
Oh, thank you. Mo giga palago.
It happens.
Mo give me palago.
There's a lot of excitement at home because of the Australian involvement in this game. What difference do
isn't. Also, let's consider that Delhi being good. Are we tough players? Is that what we're all about? Can you play ball? Not on your night. Oh, man.
Sharp in my head.
I love our
Okay, not chief of mad. Thank you, Mom. I'm going to bring that ways. I should make him an come. Village woman. Thank you. So I'm not there. I'm not there. I go soon go. Just woman mini ahana. No, the mini na woman. Can't wake open and so
Basketball is basketball, and everybody reacts a certain type of way, and I don't really mind any scrutiny. It doesn't bother me. I'm just gonna live my life.
Hank's always got his tool belt with him. Now Hank is living with prostate cancer. He still knows how to do it. And he also knows once
Actually, if he's stolen, so I bought the nigga. You got by me, Mam J. Horner. Or you got by me, Mam J. Horner. She should look at her. Look at how this idiot is it telling a full grown ass woman like me what to do. A woman when what it take idiot to book him. If he starts, get on that buggy. Well, I don't blame all of your social media. What social media? Ebonyi useless son. No, another man. He get the share general. Ebonyi useless fool now. No, another man. Ejiri ne be ambajuma. Lekwa ya na Jpac here. Lekwa ya na Jpac here be na onwe ha. Na Ebonyi lost son because they bring out manager around when they were there. Can knock up prayer. Chineke mprongo no. No money make again. I just from Barcelona now. I just got off from work. Then I drove straight to my house. Now I need to eat. Money make again by this time. Get in a corner Nigeria. Itete. You're supposed to go and look for yen negina omogege gano here be mashare. What are you doing here? Go make a game one that I'm supposed to be doing this. Imeganene. Idiot. Omanke amankonyoza. Amankonyoza amanke. Ozu. Angela, go for Lambda. Yeah. Give them me mess too. Oh yeah, get the fuck out of here. It could to last two down before I gave you those summer. I didn't get them on. No. You need to put them. You need to remove them there. How can you put them? I didn't be your domain down. Gave you those summer in down.
Never dive at another player's feet. Okay to dive for a basketball.
You want to keep off with this side. Jpac you pa for you. Ya we ko chana cut ye loko kake. You just shicha now war everywhere. Shift to ye ba. We dey cover iron. Got on the other side. Summer stove is saga.
I ball, sir. I protect the ball.
I'm down one.
Out to a teammate. On the other one, I'm boxing him out. He's pulling my left
You
arm.
put the meat back in the fridge?
I'm trying to stay out. He's gonna pull me down. So,
I put some of the meat in the stew and then I put the rest
the tape's there.
Oh, bacha hunga.
20 points,
Okay.
14 rebounds, 3 steals,
Madam she dey know ya.
3 assists. Well, Leonard, who are you, man? Who are you?
Bonny lost use like chin cream song. Uru obara. Uru obara. A hopeless song. Uru obara. You know, chere me tomorrow. I just from your now. Tomorrow. And you bitonga e kushiri. Jpac age wudo. Enweponye ga wudo. Enweponye. Chom shima krite. Enweponye ga wudo. Enwepa. Iwala. Enweponye ga wudo. Utanu. Leno kongu dibia. Leno kongu dibia. She akwa kana mo ya like this. Yana da kokoro infection up babuga. Mbo onye eze nwanne ya chere je chola num record onye eze ahụ. Chere warriors mete abo na here wele morning. Ichimeme ya now. So na bia no ebe na confess na akpa ha mo ya anwu na akwa ya bukro. Idiot enye 200,000. Onye na acho ego ja go infection. Ekpe ya 200,000 on color it. Oge chinda. Oh, that's why you dey realize na kan dash. Onye jere nwanne ya nwoke onye eze Jesus je were ya tinye aka ndị bụ mmadụ ya bezi bi na anya ego cream bugri look at their lifestyles chom shima te ahia ebe na enye m nsogbu na unu bere ikposa yo na cherenu mechi yi I'm off tomorrow. Jola Magamano shall no go walk over time. I know they go, I know they do. What I go? Because I'm trying to Nigeria to know me job your man no. As you show me badge. Let me my shopping, but didn't chimchere by 2 in next week. Be Ebonyi last son, I don't need the repetition. Nah. The petition we get there, I'm many accused too. Nine te bleaching, ni won you ocean. Ex-convict de shambucha hugo no ex-convict no na hari go ma janka dike nam sho ngo jere na asha weje po wa yo to anya onye de keza ha ya what was his name Jpac ben ike bend na agbulam ya nam shi no ike bend agbula nam shi na no gbaram no na so pen na do pen na ike bend agbula nam shi no na ike oso nam igi you get ga gba wagra na shi no dey rape ụmụ nwaanyị n'ike ga kpo top 0-0 shi anam shi ke mama be di mhenge book ha hebo ama be mbangeji na analyze that one ana be chigodi bangeji analyze that one Jpac jimu botesi ugwe sam total need ko position aya otile Emmanuel oya kam tinye ge big oya otilo now une deco petition she nam she Jpac nam she otulaya is where to be examined omudi ho banana this talk even no that book jam she wan ya ja gba pona unu gbere a lot of things to write una contribution of the content creator contribute ego for my matter uncle I be una gbe jam she owo nyu shi too ona scam ma chimpa anya na koro ego cherenu mu Ebonyi lost son listen to me apatagam Nigeria na Molota Muhammad 30th of December that is when I'm landing 30th of December by 6 o'clock emechago me ebutela me boom una eburu ndo gelu unu were red carpet bia ma susuru dia then na pra on tarajuku unu ma wora nde onu ola ashi ebulien ki tedika obuda de chere nu mo chere panu what go Lagos munu na pura nya ga wola anyi na Lekki after that place opposite to Zrenchaiga una gwa anyi Because from there is Port Harcourt. Then from Port Harcourt, no 2 weeks, may fit back to Abuja. How come now go to my moves? Lagos. Gachiyan Nagana Lagos. May teach in a port. From port. May teach in Oweri. May him because I'm a lecture property and you need and wake him that happy. And some of the businesses. But then may fe Batahu. So okay, they are aware. Now one Nigeria. I want Nigeria as it is, so it's not one place. So when you get ready, you need FBI gonna monitor. Sorry, FBI. They didn't monitor more than Nigeria. Where is these people where they monitor people for Nigeria? What is them? So you wanna go they monitor me? Ndara. Bunch of idiots. Foolish monkey Europeans. EFCC, thank you. EFCC. I did joke about one of my good friend. EFCC, I'm coming to Nigeria. Read born. EFCC, my man. On the what years on your girl. Kedin Dana, upon Dana who Kendana who Macadrog in Nigeria. Upon EFCC, right? No, Macadrog. Upon Dana who Maca EFCC, yeah. I have a number. I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm going to pose down. I don't go camp. Because of there is no light. No EFCC. No EFCC. NAFDAC. Okay, NAFDAC is on the drug. Okay. Coming to Nigeria this December. Get ready. Get ready because many people will arrest me. I hope. Okay, not the cow EFCC come not chat like here. You may will be a lot of friends. But they joke make the matter check when you can have back. She will know actually. Bye get ya. The Bible trom for na na trom na onyuku bo. No je ga be ke gram mu no na abale a. Eh? Ijiki. Okay. When mum made la chola, you know, you may have a grandma. You don't know the importance of your mom. Aye. When you went in there, don't play with your mother. Oh, you not understand. You are beautiful and attractive, Miss Flower. Who is this one? Hey, Pakistania or Pakistania. Anyande, anyu umi Igbo ejila like lamu no. Umi Igbo ejila like lamu no. Wala, une ezuzu na akpa anyi. Anyi ejila like lamu no. Amami ndeja like no. For me, ejila like lamu no. What I go? Ejila like lamu no. Despite that I like it for I carry every other tribe. Despite I like for I carry every other tribe. Yes. What I go? Despite I like to carry everything. The other tribe, we don't like them. I like a amazing. Taller. I Gina Jumui. Okay, you're not kidding. I'm gonna get I'm like. Where you work Igbo? Back when they irrigation, all this in the irrigation. Not like in one time. This is. Hello? Yeah, the one of my life program. Yeah. On the woman. I did. I know, man. Be a one now. Babela for my one now on Facebook. Oh, one alarm now on alarm meeting on Facebook. I know they see them. My husband have warned me. Mama, so, mbao. I cannot disrespect my husband. And when you like a shimona matter on Facebook, they didn't get up no. Sorry, just that's the rules. Yeah, that's the rule. I have to obey it. Oh no, Dr. Virginia, I just throw me pull your, I just throw your horn. You got on my page now.
James Harden is a great player for our team.
You got just throw one castle.
And he's going to continue to do that.
Okay, you got Jeremiah Zakol, anyway, Bogam Nabiko. Alright, thank you. Hello? Well,
This year, you visit us. King 3, there's flood. You win. King 4, there's no flood. No, King 3.
UK good. Why would you say that? You don't want to why? Akudo, why would you say that, Manyoma? Why would you say that? Don't say that. You know, that's not true. No. Name of a day like that. I'm a very pure soul, honey. You know I'm not like that. You can't wrong me. What about him, Mama? Because no, we can never. Didn't do me anything. Don't say that. When he no, I can't. I'm not like that, China. Don't feel like that, okay? Don't do anything necessary. He got Bobu Man, he got Bobu and Wagon Aham. Apagi, Cheragama back up again fashion on a daggy bokro namo in the morning. Chineke got Bogok. Is this a poor wiggy? And I be it won't again. Shannon equity 200,000 G. I just bought yam paper. Idiot, when you're in 200 times. When non pare when I got body daddy moon. Chineke got moon no coon, Macadamana na come. And the lane. When daddy sorry. I am. Daddy sorry.
Honestly, I don't know how to really answer that question. He's been a for us. I
I'm happy now that you have recognized me now. I swear. No, name and I mean a lot of comments. I swear I am the most happiest woman now. I love you. And I truly love you. I truly love your way of life, okay? Oh, ne. You can go there when you mean I'm not coming against a walk. What will be quarreling between us? I'm showing mom clinic. I try to get back my mom. My just has you. Ah, come on, Nina. Don't think like that. When you mean more.
Join to my right. That was
Ndị nwebere ahụ mepost ihe ha na-ebegodo akwa na-ebere obi sharp. Chineke. This will never say. Ndị amadi di ha na-akpọ the war. Ndị amadi di ha na-akpọ war. Hey, Chineke. This people no. Hey, you know this men in Nepotran and Hana support to Jpac. All of them. All of them. Because I say no reason, man. And it's no reason why, sorry. No, sorry, her. That is the work of God. Jesus was crucified. Come on, go to here. I get you. No. Look at them. Bunch of fools. Bunch of fools.
They don't show no basketball clips. It's kind of like, man, they getting a good ass kid. You know what I mean? I hope so. They think you gotta take that with a grain of salt.
I can't say one thing they get is a trend set. They definitely get that because you see how my man came dressed down today.
Yeah.
But he came hella bright with his nails. I mean, your nails popping more than his outfit. I got to tell you right now, Jay. You got to tell me. Let me see your nails, man. Let me see it. Let me see how. I mean, you making girls mad, first of all. Because you got your equipment and all. What's the shit called? You got everything done.
Gel.
Man, look, tell me, please, right now, tell me.
The big apple. Jpac, remember, tight Nick. I'm not to get that one tea Peggy under the comment video. It not be Ebonyi lost son. It not be the idiot who brought the video. May use only I may analyze a haneti. Chineke zadrune de homona boa na the thing. Amata kawe Ebonyi kawo Jpac. Una na eti. Cause a de homa Eke hit a budobake na ejip mom. Eke hit work out war bidoro. Ngara for it. They don't understand that they want more joy. Leave Jpac with me. Did Jpac allow my daddy to rest in peace? Did Jpac allow my daddy to rest in peace? Oh God. Don't worry no. I know him mega now. Go in the mind. Imagine killing channel. Okay. What's more can so bang? My daddy rest in peace. In the apple Jpac to rest in peace. Guy, big can happen. Jimmy would go to me. Yes, sorry, I think I hit the woman. Very beautiful. Very. Now, pass to see here. Don't see here, baby. Very beautiful. Hey, give my mom the clean gas cooker now. Try. Clean cherry, very clean. Job well done.
Before we get to hoops, I want just breaking down who the person, the king is, right? Obviously, the second you came in here, all smiles, feel the energy, like I said, infectious personality. But where did that come from?
I know they end shishi na Facebook. None of my page is monetized. I know they any funding on Facebook. I don't understand. What is that?
My brother's really positive. My mom is like always smiling.
I know they ain't shaking me. Actually, make it go. Which is that is not my William Probe. And when they Giana Azul or name me Onyola no dinke ya. I know they make shaking. My page is not monetized. Oh. When you go dig on Jpac, do this. All those buttons are ready. I don't want to. It's just my pages. They want pages. Oh, they want pages. Please, my ladies, for like, please and please, try and pin my comment. I would like to see you when you. Okay, no problem. Pin go me now. Pin go me. Okay, after that is life. Okay, German that German. Oh, you can't. I'm telling you, join.